So I got many testimonials today. So I'm really appreciating them. So you did very good job. So I'm waiting for remaining also. So people are very interested to give testimonials. Please, you can proceed. It is like just assessment, no ma'am. Yeah, it's like a quiz. After the subject-wise test, do we have same test again, ma'am? So um, now we are going to conduct a subject-wise test on logical reasoning. So still we have a phase 2 in quantitative aptitude after completing that. So on quantitative aptitude also we are going to conduct a subject-wise test. So like that, each and every subject we are going to conduct a test. So it is for your practice purpose, okay? And we have a final exam also. And we have multi-subject test also. Multi-subject test, multi-unit test. Verbal ability, sorry, verbal reasoning, when will start, ma'am? So we are starting verbal. Any more questions? So I will solve it or else we'll take last 10 minutes, okay? Okay, fine, good to go. So people will join in. We'll move to the session, okay? Yeah, Yelumala, you can take it up.
Thank you, Chandra.
Okay, Saish, you have a question. How to get exam link in Feb 17th, ma'am? So, 17th, we have a programming skills session, no? So, it is 2.5 hours, 10:30 to 1 o'clock, right? So, 1 hour, we are going to conduct a class on programming skills. So, after that, we are going to conduct an exam. Okay? Yeah, we can concentrate on our session. Okay?
Good evening, everyone. Is the screen visible to you? Okay, good. Right. In the end, we are going to discuss visual reasoning. Right. Actually, visual reasoning is an important topic. Here, like mirror image, water image, embedded images, then figure series. Right. Everything comes under visual reasoning. We will discuss one by one. Okay. See, in visual reasoning, you need not to have that much computation skill, just imagination, right? What's imagination? You can find, just imagine the mirror image and water image of the given word or image, then you can easily find the answer. So computation skills are not required to answer this question. Just analyzing skill is sufficient to answer this, right? You can see the questions. Here, what are the types of questions? As I told you, You can have questions from mirror images, water images, the embedded figure, figure composition, that is figure series, right? Everything you will have in this session, right? Okay. Someone tell me what is the difference between the actual image and the mirror image? Right. What is the difference between actual image and a mirror image? For example, if I have a pen in my hand that is on right hand side, then in mirror image it will have in left hand side, isn't it? Okay. So the important good. So the important point is left side objects will be appearing in the right side of the mirror image, and right side objects will be appearing in the left side of the mirror image. Right. If you understand this concept, then you can answer all the questions in mirror images. Right. Here I have given you a clue. Right. So in mirror image also you have different questions like numbers on numbers mirror image, letters mirror image, then figures mirror image, shapes mirror image, right? Everything we will discuss in this session. Okay. Now I give you some clue, right? So mirror images of numbers, right? If it is this one, 2 it will be like this, 3 it will be like this, 4 it will be like this, 5 it will be like this, right? So mirror image and the actual image, which are the numbers having same? Which are the numbers having have same as the mirror image? Original and the same or same? Good. 0 and 8. That's it. You remember this point? Then, which if we come to letters, then these are the 11 letters which will appear as in the original and the mirror. Right. So letters with mirror image identical to letter itself. So 11 letters will be there. A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Right. That's it. So if you understand these concepts, then you can solve any questions in mirror image as well as followed by we will have water images. Right. Okay. Now you can see this. These are water images of actual letters and a corresponding water image. Right. Now tell me which water images is same as that is identical as the original. C, D, E, then I, right, then O, then X, that's it. I hope you can understand this. Yes. So these are the, yeah, small h, okay, good. Right. So here, okay, H is also, yes. Good. See, here these are the letters in which mirror image, sorry, water image and the original image will have identical letters. That's it. When you come to the small letters, then you can see C, O, X. Right. That's it. Then L. Yeah. Good. Right. So these are the points which will help you in solving the problem. Right. Shall we discuss some problem here? Good. Now find the mirror image of the word brisk. Right. Listen, already I would have told you there are two ways of solving any multiple choice question. One is either you will find the correct one or you will find you will eliminate the wrong 3 remaining answers. That's it. Right. Now, you find the answer to this question. Find the mirror image of brisk. Very good. Very good. Very good. So, all of you have found the correct answers except one. Right. Okay. Listen. Here, instead of finding 5 letters which is same as mirror image, I can eliminate the answers which is not having mirror image. See here yes is same as in the original, but it is not true. Am I correct or not? The original S and the mirror images have same thing, it's identical here. So here this option is removed. Now if you come to this one, R is same as the original image, that can be removed here. Here K is same as the original image, so this option can be removed. Right. Out of 4 options, I eliminated remaining 3. So the answer must be 4. Very good. Maximum of you have answered correctly. Great. Now, you answer to this question. Say mirror image. I get different answers. Good. Very good. Very good. So everyone have found the correct answer, except one. Okay. Now, if you look at this, M and E are as in the original, right? It is not at all possible, isn't it? So here, if you come to this one, right? So M is as in the original as well as G is as in the original. It is not possible, right? If you come to third one, it can be probably correct answer. If you come to the fourth one, left side object. See here, J is left side objects, right? That must appear in the right side, isn't it? But here, J is appearing as it is in the original, right? In that, using that property, you could have eliminated option 4. So we have left with only 1. So option 3 is the correct answer. Very good. Now answer to this question. Reasoning. What is the answer? Good. Very good. Yes, very good. Everyone have answered correctly. Good. See, reasoning. If you search in the same manner, or. So left side objects must be in the right side of the mirror image. So by seeing that property, you could have eliminated these two options. Right. When you look at this one, right. So left side objects are in right side objects are in left. Right. Yes. So what is the difference here? REASONING. Right. Yes. See here, in fourth option, we have yes, sir, same in the original image, isn't it? That is not true. So we are left with only one option. So option 2 is the correct answer. Very good. Everyone have answered it correctly. Great. Now answer to this question. Very good. Very good. Except one, the others have answered correctly. Very good. Right. So here you have answered it as 1. Right. See, here it is Q. The mirror image will look like P, but here left side objects are in left side itself. So you could have eliminated this first option as well as the second option, isn't it? Always mirror image should have left side objects in the right hand side, right side objects in the left hand side. Right. So you could have eliminated these two, and here this A and this A is R, A and R are as G are original image, isn't it? So here all these are in the original image in reverse order. So this is not true in mirror image. So we are left with only one option. So option 4 is the correct answer. Very good. Any doubts? Good. Now answer to this question. Very good. No, one of you have answered incorrectly. Good. Others have answered correctly. Right. Great. So the first one cannot be the answer because left side object is in left side itself. So that's why I have eliminated the option 1. Right. You have answered as 1 right. That's why I eliminated here. Right. So if you look at this, Q, P, right. So here, this N will not be as it is in U, right? So this is not the correct one, right? Here, if you look at this, probably correct. If you look at this, right? So here, this U is as in the original, right? Yeah, that's okay. Then D, right? So here, this one is same as, not same as P mirror image, right? So that's why I can eliminate this option. So option 3 is the correct answer. I hope you can understand this. Very good. Maximum of you have answered correctly. Now you can answer to this question. Very good. Very good. Good. So all of you have answered it correctly. Very good. Great. Right. If you look at the first one, that is in the reverse order, but as in the original. So it is just reverse order, but not mirror image. I can eliminate this option. Right. So if you come to option 3, then this is left side objects are left itself, right side objects are right itself. So you could have eliminated this option, this also. Right. When you come to second and 2 and 4, right. Okay. Now, yes. So here 6. Here, if you see the 6, then it is like water image, it is not the mirror image, isn't it? So we have removed all the 3 options except this 4th one. So option 4 is the correct answer. I hope you can understand this. One of you have answered it wrong. Right. I hope you can understand this now. Good. Now this one. Find the mirror image of BR 4A Q16H1 H8. Right. Yes, now answer to this. Okay. I hope this concept is very easy to you. Right. Everyone is answering very fastly, very faster, and as well as the correct. Good. Very good. Except 2 of you have answered correctly. Right. Okay. See, left side objects must be in right side objects must be in the left side. So based on that property, you cannot eliminate anything. Right. So if you search for similarities, right, then here this Q is as in the original image, but that should not be the correct one. Right. The same way, this 3 is also not the correct one. Isn't it? Yes. Now, either 1 or 4 can be correct answer. If we search for other things, then B or 4, A, Q, 1. Yes. Here, it's similar, it is 6. Right. Here, it must be 6. Like it should be like this, not this one. Like 9. Right. So this option can be eliminated. Right. So we are left with only one option. That is option 1. That's it. I hope you can understand this. Right. Okay. Now you need to find mirror image of this figure. What is the answer? Good. 6 of you have answered, except 1 have answered correctly. Good. Right. So if you look at this, then left side objects must be in the right hand side itself. Right hand side. So when you look at this landing, this line, right? This line must be in opposite direction like this, isn't it? So based on that property, you could have eliminated first option. Right. Okay. Now, left side objects must be in the right hand side object must be in the left hand side. So based on that property, you could have eliminated this option. Right. Now either 2 or 4 can be the correct one. Right. So here it is inverted. Right. So here inverted is on the inverted is allowed only in water image, not the mirror image. Right. So here it is inverted. That is why I have eliminated this option. So option 4 is the correct one. I hope you can understand this. Good. Now find the mirror image of this one. Very good. Except one of you, sorry, two of you, three of you, four, right? Except four of you, remaining have answered it correctly, right? See, here it is very simple. Left side objects will be in right hand side, isn't it? So if you take this straight line vertically, right, then this our hand will be in this direction, isn't it? So based on that property, you could have eliminated first option, second option, isn't it? Now, here it is in between 7 and 8. So here it will be between this 4 and 5, isn't it? So this one is correct, but this one is not correct, isn't it? So we have eliminated first three options. The leftover is 4. So that can be the correct answer. I hope you can understand this. Very good. Great. Now find the mirror image of this one. Okay. Except one, others are answering correctly. Very good. Very good. Great. Maximum of you have answered it correctly. Right. So here, right side objects will be in left hand side, left side objects will be in right hand side. So here, this dot will go this side, this dot will go this side. So based on that property, you could have eliminated this option, right, and this option, isn't it? Now either one or three can be the possible answer, right? So here, this triangle, this portion is here, shaded here. So in mirror image, this portion will be shaded. So based on that property, here it is shaded. It is not at all shaded in anywhere in this, right? So this is not same as the original one. So option 1 is the correct answer. Very good. I hope you can understand this. Good. Okay. Now water images, right? So how water images will look like, right? I can show you an example, right? So here, water image is the reversed object which we get by turning the image and upside down, right? In this type important thing is left side objects will be in left itself, right hand side objects will be in right hand side itself, right? Understand this difference, right? In mirror image only we can have left side objects in left side objects will be in right, right? In case of water image, left side objects will be in left side itself, right side objects will be in right side itself, right? There will be no changes in the position, right? Yes, I can show you an example, right? You can see here, just inverted of this one, isn't it? If you see this diagram, right, cat diagram, right, in mirror image, it seems to be just inverted, isn't it? Yes, right. If you understand this, then you can solve questions from water images, right? Okay, now identify water image of the word family. Very good. Right. So here, maximum of you have answered correctly, but except 4%. Right. Okay, listen. Family. So left side objects will be in left side itself, right side objects will be in right side itself, isn't it? So here, if you look at this, family, the letters family, right? Here M is same as in the original, isn't it? So in water image, M will not be same as the original one. So you could have eliminated option 3, isn't it? Yes. Now, then what about the first one? Right. Here, F is okay. Right. See, here if you take this F, right, that will be similar to this one. Right. So inverted, if you invert this F, then here and right side objects will be right hand side itself. So it will be like this. So option 1 can be eliminated. Already I have eliminated 3. Either 2 or 4 can be the answer. Right. Now this L. Right. Here, if it is L, then that will be similar to this one. Right. So here L is there, right? This horizontal line must be in horizontal itself. So in right hand side itself, isn't it? Yes. So that's why you can eliminate this 2. So left over is 4. That is the answer here. I hope you can understand this. Good. Now answer to this question. Very good. Except 1, the remaining have answered it correctly. Now 2. Right. So here what is the correct answer? Rice. So left side objects will be right side, left side itself, right side objects will be right side itself. So based on that property, you could have eliminated these 2 and 4, isn't it? Now either 1 or 3 can be the answer here, right? Here, if you look at this, or right. So if you invert this or, that will be like this, right? Because right side objects will be in right side itself. So by that property, you could have eliminated the option 3. So 1 is the correct answer. Maximum of you have answered it correctly. Very good. Now answer to this question. Very good. Great. Everyone have answered it correctly. One of you have made mistake. Okay. Look at this. Left side objects will be left side itself, right side objects will be right side itself. Based on that property, you could not eliminate anything here, isn't it? Yes. So if you compare with this, right now here, if you invert this two, that will be similar to this one, right? But this is not the correct inversion of this two, right? And this will not be the correct inversion of two. So either one or three can be the correct answer here, isn't it? So if you check other things, right? Yes. So if you check this 9, then you can have, if you invert this, you can have this one, isn't it? Not this one. So it is similar to mirror image. So this cannot be the correct one. So as we have removed all the three options, right? So left over is the correct answer. Good. Very good. Maximum of you have answered the question correctly. Now you can answer to this question. NH or QSY. What is the average water image of this one? No. So far only one have answered it correctly. Good. Very good. See, speed and accuracy, both factors will decide your performance. Right. How fast you are answering, how accurately you can answer it. Right. You are answering. See, here when you look at these two, right? NHRSY, N. So left side objects are in left side itself, right side objects are in right side itself. Very good. Right. So based on that property, now you can check Y here. So Y will be everywhere similar, and S is also everywhere similar, right? And this Q, right? Yes. If you check this Q, right here, it will not be like, yeah, that is also similar, right? Then R. If you look at this R, I told you right side objects will be in right side itself, right? So here, this is for correct pattern, right? So this one is not the correct one, right? Yes. So by seeing this R, I have eliminated this one, right? Then N. So N is as in the original, right? That is not possible. So I can eliminate this one. Now either 2 or 4 can be the answer, right? So I have left with only H. So if you check this H, right, one vertical followed by this side view, right? So 4 is the correct answer, 2 is not the correct one. So answer is option 4. I hope you can understand this. Very good. Now answer to this question. Very good. Everyone have answered it correctly. Good. Very good. Great. Now you can see here, right? Left side objects must be in left side itself, right side objects must be in right side itself, right? Based on that property, you could have eliminated option 3 and 4 simultaneously, isn't it? So you have eliminated two options. Either first one or second one can be the correct answer. So T similar, I similar, U similar, R. If you look at this R, right, the mirror image of water image of R will be like this, isn't it? This one is the correct way, right? So then you could have eliminated this option also. Do you understand this? Very good. To this question, everyone have answered correctly. Great. Now answer to this question. No. Good. Very good. Except two remaining are answering it correctly. Right. See, you have answered as one. Is that right? No. See here, Z is like this. In water image, it will not be same as the original one. Am I correct or not? By that property, you could have eliminated one. I hope you can understand this. Right. Then D, right. Yes. So I told you D will be same as the original image. Water image of D is same as the original one. So at the time, either 1 or 3 can be possible. Already I eliminated 1. So 3 is the possible answer. I can eliminate option 2 and 4 simultaneously. Is that clear here? Very good. Everyone have posted correct answers? Great. Now answer to this question. Find the water image of this one. Very good. Except the two of you, the remaining have answered correctly. Good. Right. See here, which objects? Very good. Right. Okay. So left side objects will be left side itself, right side objects will be in right side itself. Right. So here, based on that property, right. Okay. Here it will be like inverted, right? So if it is inverted, then this will come down, this will go there, isn't it? So either 3 or 4 can be the answer. This is not the correct answer, right? And this is also not the correct answer because it is shaded here, isn't it? It will not be shaded in this place, right? So either 3 or 4 can be the answer, right? So if you look at this sector, okay, this is same here, right? Yes. If you go, if it goes there, right? This dot is same in both this, right? This dot is same, and the yes, the middle square is there, right? Yes, it is shaded here. isn't it? So then it will be shaded in this direction, right? This one, right? It is not inverted here. So option 4 is the correct answer. I hope you can understand this. Good. So this is not the correct answer. This one is the correct. This is very easy to you. You could have answered the question in some seconds. Now answer this. Very good. Here also one of you are making mistake here. See, if you see the inverted of this one, it will be similar to this one, right? However, this is similar to this one, right? This shape is not similar to this one. So either one or two can be the correct possibility, right? It is one or two, right? If it is inverted, then it will be like this. So two is the correct answer, one is not the correct one. I hope you can understand this. Good. Now answer to this question. Find the water image of this one. Except one remaining are answering correctly. Okay. See, if you see here, right, which one is the correct answer? So left side objects will be left side itself, right side objects will be right side itself. So this figure is in the right hand side of this box. So here it is in left hand side. So here you could have eliminated these two options by seeing itself. Right. Either one or two can be the correct answers. Now upside arrow is downsided, so there is no change. Right. Then this square, this part is same here as in the both the diagram, right? Then you can see one more deviation, that is this triangle, right? See, this triangle is inverted to this point. Am I correct or not? Yes. So here, if it is water image, it must be inverted as in the original, right? So here, this is not the correct one. This one is the correct answer. I hope you can understand this. Because left side object must be in left side itself, right side object must be in the right side itself. I hope you can understand this. Good. No, what? Okay. This one, right? Sorry, one is the correct answer. Correct. Right. I take it from. Yeah. One is the correct answer. See, now with this point, it should be connected, isn't it? Yes. So if you invert this, then this inverted, this when you invert this one, you should have this one triangle. Am I correct or not? If you invert this triangle, this shape, then you can have this one. Right. I told you correctly, but I have picked it wrong answer. Okay. One is the correct answer. Correct. I hope you can understand this now. Yeah, correct. Good. Now find water image of this one. Very good. Very good. Everyone have answered correctly. Good. So here, what is the water image of this one? So left side objects will be left side itself, right side objects will be right side itself. Right. So this shape must be in left side itself. Right. So here it is there and it is there. So you can eliminate 2 and 4, so 2 and 3 by seeing this, isn't it? Now either 1 or 4 can be the correct answer. Right. If you look at this, then mirror image will be this one is okay, this one so here this will be like this, isn't it? Yes. So by seeing that property, you could have eliminated this option 1, right? So option 4 is the answer here. I hope you can understand this. Very good. Maximum you have answered it correctly. Great. Okay. Next we have series completion. Right. Listen. In previous classes, we would have discussed number series, letter series, right? And mixed letter and numbers mixed series, right? Now we are going to discuss figure series, right? Here, the series of figures will be given that will follow some logic. Based on that logic, what could be the next one? You need to identify it, right? Okay, I will show you problem. You can answer it, right? So what is the answer to this question? Think and answer. Very good. Very good. Great. See, it is very easy. Great. Everyone have answered it correctly. Right. See, now if you see the first one, it is completely full. Now, right hand side, one straight line is removed. And if you look at the second figure, in left side, two sides are removed. Two straight lines are removed like this. Right. Actually, it could be like this. Now it is removed. Right. In the next figure, we have removed this one. Right. Yes. So we have removed this one. Right. So next time it will be here, it will be removed 2. Right. So if you look at this, you can identify this one. Right. So left side 1 is removed. Let's say 2 is removed. So in right hand side, how much will be removed? Right. So here, right hand side half, then again 1.5 extra. So 2 removed. If you remove one more 1.5 here from this diagram, right. So this and this will be removed. Only 2 triangles like this will be there. Right. So 2 triangles, where is it? This half is removed, right? Okay. So where is it? So here it is, not the correct answer, right? It is not the correct answer, right? Okay. Now, if you look at this, first half removed, then 2 removed, right? The next, if it is removed 1.5, then it will be B is the correct answer. So at the time you could have eliminated this and this. I hope you can understand this. Yes, everyone have answered it correctly. Right. Next one. Find the next term in the series. Very good. Very good. Great. So all of you have answered it correctly. Right. So option B is the answer. Right. Now you can see, you can track any one of the figures here. Right. So in first figure, triangle is here. In next figure, it is there. Right. That is exactly opposite in this, isn't it? Now, question mark, then square is here, then square must be in opposite direction, opposite to this. Now equal is here, now equal must be in next one, right? So if x is here, then the figure which has x in this position can be the possible answer. So in that A possibility, B is possible, C is not possible, D is not possible, E is possible answers. Right. See, by checking one of the figures, I could have eliminated two options, isn't it? Yes. So based on this, you can search for some other things. Now square is here, then that goes here. Equal is here, that goes here. Triangle is here, that goes to the right. Right. So triangle must be in right corner. So this option can be eliminated. Right. Now this can be eliminated. So I have eliminated all the four. So the remaining one can be the possible answer. That is option B. I hope you can understand this.
Again, I will give another over there. Where
Okay. Find answer to this. Find the next term in the series. Very good. Very good. Very good. See, first five straight lines are there vertically. Then next one is tilted like this in left direction, right? Then first one goes to the second place, and the first one is tilted like this, right? This X shape is moving towards right direction, right? So X is moving to next right. So that is here. Now this X shape will move to the last position. So here it is not the X at the last position. This is not X shape at the last position. This is not X shape at last position. This is not X shape at the last position. Here we have it, right? So fifth diagram, option E is the correct answer. That's it. I hope you can understand this. Right. Good. Okay. Actually, here I have pasted all the options as same diagram. Right. You leave this question, we go to next one. Right. Yeah, you can answer this question. Find the next term in the series. So 8 is in left corner, then right corner, then say right bottom, then again in the next step, left bottom, then it is inverted here, right? So next will be, this will come to this next step, right? So based on that property, you could have not eliminated any options, isn't it? Except this, right? So except E, you could have not eliminated anything, right? Now when you come to this one, this arrow mark, right? That is right bottom, then left bottom, then inverted right, inverted left, then inverted right, inverted right bottom, right. So in that case, you could have eliminated this option, right. Now, either A, B, or D can be the possible answers. Very good. Many of you have answered it correctly. Right. Right. So when you come to this one, right? If this one, so here this figure will be inverted here, then inverted right, inverted left, inverted right bottom, right, then inverted left bottom, then again it will be inverted, isn't it? So if it is inverted, then it will be like 1, as in the first figure, right? So at that time you could have eliminated this option and this option. We are left with only one. So option D is the correct answer here. I hope you can understand this. Now answer to this question. Find answer to this. So now what is the answer here to this question? Very good. So C is the correct answer. Right. I hope you can understand this. Now answer to this question. See, how can you say B is correct answer? If you take this one, right? This L is here, right? Then it is turning right in the next diagram, right? Then again turning this like this. Again it is like this. Then it will be like this, right? So next one it must be like this. So here both, right? It will be like this, not this one, right? So here it is nowhere connected. Good. Now answer to this question. Okay, very good. Right. Many of you have answered correctly. Good. So the answer here is option B. Right. Can anyone explain this logic? Actually, it is so simple, right? See, all the five are open in this direction. In every step, one is turning in left side direction. Next, this will turn to the next one. Then it will turn the direction here. Then it will turn the direction here. Right. So option B is the next figure, isn't it? Yes. Good. Great. Now answer to this question. Okay, good. Many of you are answering different answers. Right. Let's verify your answer. The answer here is option B. Right. You can analyze the similar movements here. So if you take X here, that is in the middle in this figure, right? That goes here. Listen, in alternate figures, you can see the middle, this straight, this actually this arrangements, right? This arrangement is becoming like square arrangements. Am I correct or not? So based on that property, here it is square, then alternate figures it must be square. So that must be here like this, right? So now answer this question. Actually, many of you have made mistakes here. Right. So this is moving here, then here, then here, right? And it is removed here, right? So every symbol can come only 4 times, isn't it? Yes. So here one of the symbol has to be removed from this figure, right? What it is, right? So if you trace the previous figures, the star, 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 star. So after 4 movements, they will be removed from the figures, right? So by this property, could have eliminated option A, right? So here I have eliminated option A. Many of you have posted it as option A. I hope you can understand this now. Maximum of you have answered it as answer A. Right. Do you understand why did I eliminate this? Good. Okay. Then if you try for another one, right. So in these three, what is common? So triangle, 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 right. So next triangle can come, right. So only triangle will be there. So everywhere it is triangle is there, right. Then if you see here, this shaded circles are already removed, isn't it? So removed objects will not appear again. So based on that, you could have eliminated this one, isn't it? The same way, this C shape is removed already, then that cannot be in the next figure, right? Then either B or C, these are the possibilities, right? Now, when you trace this, square is also removed already in second figure itself, right? So in third figure, square is removed. So based on that, you could have removed this C, then option B can be the answer. I hope you can understand this. Very good. Now, answer this question. You can post your answers here. Okay. Only two have answered so far. Good. What about others? Do you take time to solve this? So it is option E. Right. See here. Now, if you see this figure, this is like this, that is two line segments, right? Here two line segments are there. Here two line segments are added and three more is added. So five, right? Now one is here and two is four is added here, right? So everywhere it is five is added. So if you add five here, then this shape will be closed like this. That is two here, and remaining will be like this, three here, right? So similar figures are at option E. So option E is the correct answer. I hope you can understand this. Now this one, this one. Not understood. Okay. Actually, I have shown in the this one. Okay. Right. Okay. Now you can see this. Now answer this question. Find the next term in this. Actually, one of you do not have posted it as not understood. Okay. Good. Now, do you understand this? What is the reason? Good. Very good. Everyone is posting the correct answers. Right. So option E is the correct answer. Good. See here, one straight line which is slanting like right leftwards. Another one is standing rightwards. Then another one is making cross with that. Right. Now, after that, you have this one. Right. So next cross, the next one must be towards right, isn't it? So here this X did this. So similar object, similar figure is there in option E. So option E can be the possible answer. Right. Is there any doubt so far? Any doubt so far? No. Very good. Then odd man out. So you know what is odd man out, right? Yes. So everything will be connected by a logic except one. So that one is known as odd man out, isn't it? So I can show you some questions here. You find which one is odd man. Find the answer to this. Great. Very good. Okay. Many of you are answering different answers. Can you post the logic here? On which basis you are answering it as your answer? That can be any option. Why do you answer that question or that option? Right. Actually, here, this figure has 5 sides. We have 5 pins. This figure has 3 sides and we have 3 pins. This has 4 sides, 4 pins, 6 sides, 6 pins, 4 sides, 4 pins. Right. So here you cannot answer anything. Triangle is reversed, so option B. No. Right. See, if you take square, you can say it is reversed also. Right. Square will be similar to every direction. So that is not the correct one. Right. Distance between pins. No. Ah, good. One of you have found the correct answers. Two. Fourth option is parallelogram. No, that is not the reason. Good. Right. Good. So some of you have really identified the correct answers. Right. Correct. Right. See, here, if you look at these figures, here it is edge, isn't it? Here it is edge. Here it is edge. Here it is edge. So in B, C, D, E, all the pins are pinned at edges, right? But in option A, it is pinned at corners. Corner. Am I correct or not? Yes. That is why option A is odd man. Right. Many of you have found the correct answers with correct logic. Right. Good. Then find the answer to this. Very good. Everyone is answering correctly. Great. So it is very clear, right? By seeing itself, you could have understood, right? The others are equally spaced. Yeah, but option B is not equally spaced, isn't it? Yes. So this one is odd man, isn't it? Good. Great. Now answer to this. Very good. So others here, all the circles having this chord that is in that is diameter, but in C it is chord, not the diameter, isn't it? Good. Everyone have posted correct answer. Great. Right. So option C is the odd main. Now answer to this. Very good. Right. Many of you are posting as correct answers. Good. Great. See here, if you take all are similar, but the shaded region, only one shaded region is connected with the middle. Right. Here also only one shade is connected with the middle. Here also only one shaded region connected with the middle. But here, none of the shaded region are connected with the middle. Right. So here only one is connected with the middle. So the odd man is option D. Very good. Now you can answer this. Find which is different from others. Very good. No. Very good. See here, odd one is this D. Why? See, if you rotate this in some manner, that is clockwise or anti-clockwise, this figure can come, this figure can come, and this figure can come. Right. If you rotate it in a clockwise manner, will you get this one? No. This one will be odd man. I hope you can understand this. You can post yes or no. Good. Don't you understand this? I repeat once again. See, if you rotate this first figure in clockwise manner, right? If you rotate this first figure in clockwise manner, right? You can have this figure B. See, you can have C. You can have E, but you cannot have D only, isn't it? So all are appearing as in the clockwise rotation except D. That is why it is odd man. Good. Now you can answer this question. Find which one is different from others. Right. Can you pose the reason? Why is it correct answer? Why do you select this answer? Can you pose the reason? Very good. No. Good. So many of you have found the correct logic, but few of you are answering incorrect. Right. See here, this A, this A is formed by three straight lines. Am I correct or not? This F is formed by three straight lines. This Z is formed by three straight lines. This N is formed by three straight lines. But this E is formed by four straight lines. So 4 is the odd man out. This E is the odd man out. I hope you can understand this. Good. Now answer to this question. Very good. Great. Everyone posted your correct answers. Good. Why is your answer is correct? Because this dot is in the closed square, closed box. Here it is not closed one. It is closed, it is closed. So this one is the odd main, isn't it? Yes. Based on the directions. Good. Because of the dot is good. Good. Great. Now answer to this question. Find which is different from others. And post your answer logic also. No, that is not the correct answer. No. See, he just answer the question based on the number of dots. 3 is lesser number. If you answer somewhere 7, here 3 plus 4 is 7. Here 6. Here it is 5. Here it is 5. Right. So here you can answer anything, right? So that is not the correct one. No, that is not the correct option. Correct logic. Right. I'll give you again 30 seconds. You tell me why. You post your logic also. No. He is not correct. Yes, he is not correct. Very good. One of you have found the correct answer as well as logic. Good. See, here if you look at the number of dots, right? Here, 5 dots, 7 dots, 6 dots, 3 dots. So you cannot have anything as common pattern, right? But the figures, listen, the number of dots within the figure and outside the figure, if you compare them, you can have a common pattern. See, here outside the figure is 3, inside the figure is 2, so the difference is 1. Here outside the figure is 3, inside the figure is 2, so the answer is 1. Here it is 4, outside the figure number of dots is 4, inside the figure it is 3, the difference is 1. But here outside the figure is it is 4, inside the figure it is 2, now it is 2, isn't it? Yes. Now if we come to this one, 2, number of 2 dots outside the figure is 2 and inside the figure is 1, so the answer is 1. Now you could have identified which one is odd main out, odd main. It's option D. Good. It also has even number of dots. 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. No, it is not the correct way. Right. Here 1, here 3. Both are odd numbers. So you cannot have even number as the logic. Right. I hope you can understand this. Now answer to this question. Should I explain the previous one? Okay. I explain that again. See here, the number of dots outside the figure. See, if you take this first figure, right, here you can have 3 dots outside. Inner inside these, you have 2 dots, isn't it? So number of dots outside, number of dots out minus number of dots in. This gives you one of the difference, right? In all the figures except this D. So that is one. That is why it is odd main. I hope you can understand this now. Good. Right. Now you can answer this question. See, already I told you the number of dots inside the figure is odd number. That is what your logic right. But it is not working here. See, here the number of dots inside the figure is 2. Here it is 2. Here it is 3. Here it is 2. Here it is 1. Now we have two odd numbers, sorry, 2 odd numbers and 3 even numbers. How can you answer this? I hope you can understand this. Very good. Now, what is the answer to this question? Actually, it's a very simple question, right? See here. Good. If you look at the first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is in this order. If you look at the second one, 1, 2, but it is not 3 here. If you look at this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now if you look at this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. If you look at this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So either clockwise or anti-clockwise, they have some pattern in all the four except this one. So that is the argument here. Right. Good. Now answer this question. What is the answer to this question? This is also easy to answer. Now answer to this question. No. Only one have answered it correctly. Out of 5, only one have answered it correctly. Can you post the logic? See here. Here, there are two figures and one pin is there. Right. This pin is pinned here, any one of the edges. One edge, one corner, isn't it? One corner, one edge, isn't it? Yes. When you look at this, one edge, one corner. Yes. If you look at the C, option C, right, it is one corner, one edge, isn't it? If you look at this, here it is corner, here also it is corner. So this pin is pinned through corners only, not on the edges. So this can be the possible argument. If you check here, yes, it is corner and edge. Yes. So this one is the argument. I hope you can understand this logic. Say yes or no. You explain again. Okay. See here, if you consider this pin, right, this pin is stapled here, right. One edge, see here, this one is edge and this one is corner. Am I correct or not? So this pin is pointed in this one. Am I correct or not? The same way, here this one is edge, this one is corner. So this pin is pointed through this. Right. If we come to this one is edge, this one is edge, corner. Right. This one is edge, this one is corner. So the pin is pointed like this. Right. If we come to this one, it is corner, this is also corner. Right. So this pin is exactly pinned in corners only, not through the edges. Am I correct or not? So this one is the odd main. Hope you understand this. Good. Now, next one. Right. Good. Next one is spotting out the embedded figure. Actually, it is very simple. Right. One figure will be given. that figure will be hidden in any of the images, right? In which figure it is hidden, that is what you need to find. It is very simple. Actually, many of you will answer this question in some seconds, right? I show you the questions you can answer here. Find out the alternate figure which contains figure X as its part. Right. Sometimes you will make mistakes also. Right. See, here, most of you have answered as C. Right. See, all this line must be here. So if we see this, these lines are here. Right. These lines are here in this. Right. Yes, these lines are here in this. Right. But this bottom has a straight line, right? Yes. But here, do you have straight line there? No. Then this cannot be the answer. I hope you can understand this. Now, what would be the answer here? Yay. Right. If you trace the statement, if you trace here, this line is 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 also here. So A is the correct answer. I hope you can understand this. See, sometimes they will give you figures like this, right? You could have identified the figure, but one portion will be left, right? So don't answer the question blindly without checking it, right? All the lines must be within this, isn't it? Good. Now answer this question. Your answers are already known, isn't it? Good. So there is no way of making mistakes here, right? Yes. The same figure is there in the option B, isn't it? Very good. Everyone have answered it correctly. Right. Then the next question. This one. Very good. Yes. See, the same figures are there here. Right. If you look at this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Right. Yes. So the same figure is here itself. So option B is the correct answer. Right. Very good. Everyone will have, yes, everyone have answered correctly. Right. Now I show you the next question. Very good. So everyone I have identified the correct answer. Right. So this straight line is here, and this straight line is here. This straight line is here. Now this straight line is here. Then this straight line is here. Then this straight line is here. Right. So option B is the correct answer. Great. Now answer to this question. D also having same, right? No, that is not the truth. That is not true here. Right. See here, you can see this straight line, this straight line, this straight line. But where is here? It is missing here, right? So D cannot be the correct answer. I hope you can understand this. Good. So here the answer is right. So here the answer is right. Option B. You can look at this. This one is here, this one is here. Right. This one is here. Okay. Yeah. Actually, it is there in reverse domain. Right. So this is the correct answer. The same object is here in the reverse domain. Like this. I hope you can understand this. Good. Now answer this question. Very good. So everyone have answered it correctly. Right. So if you look at this same figure is here, isn't it? So that's the answer here. Good. Now answer to this question. Previous one. Right. Do you want me to explain this? See, you can see here. Right. The same figure is here. Actually, it is not. Sorry. You can't. It is not the option. It is not the option by seeing itself. You could have eliminated this. Right. If you look at this, straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line. Okay. Yes. Actually, here the same figure is here that is embedded in this figure. Right. If you trace this, right. Here you can have this one. This as the answer. Right. See, this is also correct, but it shows you mirror image. Right. So this is not the exact one. This is the correct one. I hope you can understand this. Good. Okay. So here answer is option D. Right. So the same zigzag lines are here and triangle is here and this side, this way, this line is also there, isn't it? So option D is the correct answer here. Very good. Right. I hope you could have understood all these things. Actually, today we have completed almost all the questions. Right. Here, by seeing itself, you could have answered this question. Yes. It is in option C. Good. Right. So option C is the correct answer here. Now this one, here it is very simple. You could have same thing here. Right. That's it. This one, this is the last question. With this, we will wind up the session. Okay. Okay. So if we say search in this here, this is here, this is here, this is here, this is here, and this is here. Yes. So option A can be the possible answer. Right. Very good. So everyone have answered it correctly. Great. Now, both of this will wind up the session. Now you'll have quiz. Thank you all.
Okay, fine. Yeah, today we have a quiz on ranking and order. Yes, I'm sending the link. I hope everyone done with the quiz. So let me know in the chat box. I will share attendance link. Okay. Ali, you can't able to see your overall attendance. So after completion of this program, you can able to see. Yes, Shivakumar, I will check it out. Okay. Ma'am, can you please say the exam timings on Saturday? Yes, Saturday we have an exam on 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Okay, 1 hour, 60 minutes, 50 questions. Can you please share the PPT of classes? Yes, Chintu, you will get these PPTs in the LMS. Okay, over LMS you will get it. So I'm sharing the attendance link. Please mark your attendance. So, Pavan, you have a drive in college. So at what time? Can you please let me know? Yes, Vasu, attendance is mandatory. So that time only we will get to know that you attended class or not, no? From 9. Okay, then you can attend for drive, okay? All the best for your drive. Ma'am, I didn't, I sent video to the mail, ma'am, but I didn't get any Saturday link. Yeah, you will receive shortly, okay? Okay, Pawan, you can carry on, okay? So I will show top 20 now. So after that, we'll wind up the session. So this is our top 20. Congratulations, guys. So, yeah. So tomorrow I'm conducting quiz on 4 topics, which we are left with 4 topics, that topics, okay? Data sufficiency and statement and arguments, one diagram. And today's topic, visual reasoning, and tomorrow calendars. So on these 4 topics, tomorrow I'm going to conduct a quiz. So all topics will cover, and Saturday we'll have a quiz on whole topic like logical reasoning. Okay. Yes, thank you, Dheeraj. I will convey with him. Okay. So somebody is asking WhatsApp link, no? So whoever missed to join our WhatsApp channel, please join. I'm sharing now. Ma'am, is it mandatory to send video? So if you send a video means it's better only. Ma'am, Saturday quiz is going to be difficult, ma'am, or moderate. So Alekia, we are covering like basic, advanced one, advanced level 2. So 3 levels I'm covering. Okay, fine. Rajalakshmi, your name is in 21 place. So I'm sorry. Okay, fine. So I'm sharing the registration link as well. Whoever missed to register our Kila program, please register. Yes, if you don't have any queries, you can leave the session. So meanwhile, I will also wind up the session for the day, and we'll meet on tomorrow. Okay. By these quizzes, what by these quizzes requirement Is done. Sai Krishna, I didn't get your question. In video, which details can I tell you, ma'am? Yeah. 1 minute. I will share my number or email ID with you. You just mail me or else message me. I will help you on that. Okay. Okay. Without testimonial, can we write the Saturday test? Yes, you can write. Does quiz marks will be considered, ma'am? Yes. So final subject test, you have like you people have to write better, okay, than these quizzes. So we are considering that marks, subject wise test marks. Ramesh Babu, yes, you can attend, okay, no problem. I will fill a Google form for Saturday test. Is that Google form for some details I gave mistakenly? Can I fill again that form in another time? Yeah, Gopi Trinath. You can do or else you can leave. No problem. Okay, fine. We are done for the day. We'll meet on tomorrow. Okay. Up to then, take care. Bye bye. Go and have your food. So, Chinnu, what mail you got from XLR?